If you've been looking for a larger block of land with a family home and great sheds, then look no further. Hi everyone, I'm Rhiannon Moss from Harcourt's Four Seasons, and I'm delighted to present 556 Barkers Road in Loburn. Whether you're downsizing, upsizing or subdividing, this 30 acres has a lot to offer. So let's go ahead and take a look around. The current owners have found their dream home and they need to achieve a quick sale here in order to realise that dream. So call me today for more information or pop along to one of the scheduled open homes, and I look forward to meeting you soon.